Okay, next. Okay, thank you Cikgu Rashid. Saya follow direction analisa Go Cikgu. Combine dengan teknik saya dah grow 611% 2 weeks. So mungkin ada chance lah Tuan Sanjay untuk kontes tu.
Yeah, that's why. Tapi I want to pinpoint one point. Okay, this is where I really hope ataupun kami team guys will hope, because what we are sharing is the analysis, overall analysis, why we think the market will move in a certain direction because of the some fundamental or some news that get picking up. But at the end of the day, as a trader, that's why I can say you guys need to use your own technique, your own skill, because that's why because to grow 600%, maybe Sanjay was really waiting untuk, let's say, sell dekat 1829 ataupun 1830, betul-betul dia tunggu kat situ, dan bila nampak baru dia sell slightly with a bigger lot size, then ni, ataupun he was waiting for maybe 4-hourly candle ataupun daily candle to show some kind of a rejection, then baru dia masuk. Because market not macam saya dengan tahu tu Boon tak control market. We hope we can control the market ataupun we are the market maker, then we can. But at the end of the day, you guys at least see the direction ataupun the level that actually is a critical, like we are talking about 1820 and then 1830 at the top, and then at the bottom side it's like a 1780 ataupun 1785 that day. So at least you guys get some idea. I think even during NFP, I was saying it, even on NFP, macam kind of fake out to 1783, but I was still saying at least market akan go to about 1800. So siapa yang follow at least up to 1800, then they sell kejap, at least dia dapat, and then bila ada rejection, dia buy balik ataupun scalp up to about 1820, dia dapat, and then at 1820 is a bit tricky, whether to come down ataupun naik atas sedikit baru come down. So it went for the second scenario, which is it went to 1830 baru come down. So about 2 times 1830 rejected, come back to 1815, then reject balik, pergi balik 1828, 1829, then turun balik. So because the market is actually showing us something which is fundamentally I can share with you guys why I'm saying certain things. Market probably will be a bit bearish because of the US dollar interest rate ataupun the tapering ataupun the possible hawkish statement from the Federal Reserve. Those kind of things I have some, not to say inside info, but I very closely follow all these macroeconomic news. So I'm probably heavy, but I'm translating that into simple language for you guys to understand. That's why I give you certain level. So if you guys, of course, I cannot be right all the time as well, okay? But at least you guys know, even saya kata itu 1820 breakout, I was saying 1830 might be a kind of a major resistance. So that's a level I think market probably will push down from there, assuming there's no other geopolitical risk. But I also was saying that if kalau gold naik, then probably gold pula, oil naik, there be $80 to 82, 83 punya level, then you see gold will be going up. So if you guys can correlate with what I'm trying to say, with what exactly happening, then we hope it will be helpful for you guys to take at least some tips from gold ataupun any other pairs that we analyze with you guys.
Okey, baik. Terima kasih Cikgu Rashid sebab yalah jimatkan masa untuk membaca tu. So
yes, actually what I'm trying to do,
sepatutnya viewer patut ambil peluang untuk bertanya so that yalah
yes,
whatever we want to know, then Cikgu Rashid boleh sampaikan lah dalam
sebab
bahasa yang
just
lebih mudah.
not to brag about it lah, because I probably read 5-6 news, okay? So I save you guys punya time, okay? At least whatever I read it, 5-6 news ataupun 10-20 news, I try to summarize it so that whenever you guys have about gold ataupun GJ, GU, everything, so I try to summarize how those news, for example, I was talking about UK, the Boris Johnson issue, ataupun why that technical level might be a key, okay? And then why I was keep saying AU, we are still looking at it a bit of a second attempt to 70 cent, okay? So all this because of some news, okay, that probably I read it, It may be right, it may be wrong, but market sometimes ataupun most of them still showing that the analysis ataupun the direction at least still correct. Maybe the level might be a bit orang kata out, but the zone might be still intact.
Ya, baik. Terima kasih Cikgu Rashid. Okey.